Hello everyone.
Hi guys! We're excited to announce this weekend's winner of our special giveaway Nintendo Switch.
But first, we want to say thank you to everyone who entered online, as well as stopped by our booth at the Family Expo.
At our Smile a Mile booth, we were scheduling free estimates for the parents and decorating rocks with the kids. It was a lot of fun.
So all weekend we had entries from both the Family Expo as well as online with Facebook and Instagram. There was a ton of entries and you guys are awesome.
Okay, Chelsea, are you ready to pick the winner?
Of course, but aren't we missing something?
Oh yeah.
Huh, that's better. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Did you go it?
I did, yeah. And the winner is Katie Blair.
Congratulations. We'll contact you today to pick up your brand new Switch. Oh, and we almost forgot. Next month is the home show and our giveaway will be even bigger. Make sure to like our Facebook so that way you get notified of new content and you don't miss our next big giveaway.
Can anyone guess what it'll be? Post in the comments below and we'll let you know soon.
Thanks everyone. Bye.